We're going to start by going to maturebeautystudio.com, and that's the Seint website. So you're going to come to this first page, which is your shopping page that shows all the different makeup items we have. Our foundation is called Highlights, and then we have contours, bronzers, setting spray, eyeshadows, lip and cheek colors, different collections here. You'll see a few discounted bundles in this first page. But we're going to start by building your palette, and we're going to go back to the first thing, which is your highlight color. So I've recommended two different highlight colors for you, a brightening highlight and a main highlight. So we're just going to select those two colors there and add them to the bag. So you're going to have two highlights. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and move on to contours. So we're just going to go back to that main page and click on contour. Again, go ahead and scroll through those colors till you see the one that I've selected for you, and go ahead and add that to your shopping bag. Then the next color we're going to look for is going to be our lip and cheek color. So we're going back to that makeup page again. We're going to keep scrolling down until we get to our lips. And when you click on that, you're going to see some different options. We have gloss, we have satin, we have semi-gloss. So those are just different finishes. And here you can choose whatever lip and cheek color you like. You can pick one or more than one here, and then go ahead and add that to your bag as well. Now at this point, you can decide if you want eyeshadows or anything else. But I always recommend getting a brush. It's very important to have one of our Seint brushes to blend your cream makeup with. I usually recommend the 3D brush, which is the very first one on this page. That's a great beginner brush. And again, it will do all your blending and application for you. So go ahead and add that to the bag. And then you can choose from anything else you'd like, but on the bottom of this page is your brush cleaner. I always recommend getting that in the beginning too. It's really important to keep our brushes cleaned and sanitized, and I usually do that once a week. So I do recommend getting that right away to get started. And then anything else you want to add, you can just scroll through here. You have so many beautiful eyeshadows to choose from, and again, those come in matte and shimmers and creams and even glitters. So if you want those, just kind of peek through those, and you can click on any of the different colors. So I am just going to add a couple of different eyeshadow colors to my palette here to get me started. And again, it's all up to you. Your compact is going to be customizable for you. So whatever you want to add is really your choice depending on what you want and what your budget is. So I just added a few of my favorites to the bag here. And then we're going to look at our palettes. So these are the magnetic compacts that hold all your makeup in one place, and all these magnetic tins just pop into there. So I usually recommend starting with the palette 12. That's going to give you room to expand, and you'll have room for your main 4 colors, a few eyeshadows, and if you want to add bronzers, illuminators, or anything else. Then you can see your total right here in your shopping bag, and you'll see you've also received a palette credit because you've purchased so many tins. So that's a really nice thing to get a little bit of a credit there. And then you're just going to click on checkout and create your account. So you put your name, you'll create a username and a password right here, and then choose Shop with Sherry Larson, and that's it. Hopefully this helps you to get started.